If you've come across Fazowin, Topazwin, or Zaemux online, you may be wondering if these platforms are actually legit. I had the same question, so here's a quick review. First, I want to point out something important. I couldn't find enough reliable information or established independent reviews to confidently verify these names as trustworthy platforms. Searches for Zaemux, for example, mainly bring up an unrelated financial ticker, rather than a clearly established website or service. That's already a red flag for me. With websites like these, I always check a few basic things. Who owns the platform? Is there real company information? Are the terms and conditions clear? And most importantly, are there genuine user reviews from independent sources? If those details are difficult to verify, I would not rush into depositing money or sharing personal information. Another thing to watch is unrealistic promises. If a platform claims you can make easy money, get guaranteed rewards, or receive unusually high returns, be very careful. I'm not saying that Fazowin, Topazwin, or Zaemux are definitely scams. There simply isn't enough trustworthy evidence for me to call them legitimate with confidence. So, my verdict is simple. Treat these platforms as high risk until you can independently verify who operates them and how they handle payments and withdrawals. Before signing up, do your own research. Check independent reviews. Look for a real company behind the website. And never deposit more than you can afford to lose.